Alright, now it's time to mix your purples. You can see that I only have two primaries on my palette, the red and the blue. Red and blue, and the family of colors that's in between are the violets, red violet and blue violet. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop some of the paint out and start to mix a little bit of blue. I always start with a little at a time just to see what I can get right away. And I may not get my purple first. So your violet or your red violet will look like a Dowling maroon, like a burgundy color. So I might think this doesn't really look like purple, and it won't look like purple. So if you're trying to get purple, then you can just scoop some more out into this area, and then you can start to take a little bit more blue, mix it up, and not worry about that one right now, because remember, before you paint any of the violets, I'm asking you to mix all of them so you can compare them to one another, and then you are also working on the secondary purple and the intermediates, red violet and blue violet, so you'll get to see maybe what they look like. So if I spread that out a little bit, it looks like a purple. And so then I'm going to take the blue, scoop some blue over here because there's still some violet on my brush. I'll take a little bit of red, and blue violet's a pretty dark color. You may not even be able to see it really, really well in the mixing tray, but it doesn't look like blue and it doesn't look like purple. I spread that out. It looks different than this blue here. If you're not quite sure, you can go ahead and add a little bit more red to it. And that right there looks like a pretty decent blue violet. And then you'll clean your brushes after you've painted.